Hi guys, Aaron Davey from the Melbourne Football Club, Ambassador of the Trachoma Foundation. Trachoma has been an eye disease for our Indigenous people in the Central Australian region. Being a proud Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander, these are things that doesn't sit well with myself. I'm here to make a change.
Trachoma is an eye infection that gets spread from one person to another. The germ only affects humans, and it's little children who are infected will have the germs in their tears or nasal discharge or on their dirty faces. And when they're playing together, it's easy for one kid to touch their face and then touch another child. We stop that spread of infection by keeping the kids' faces clean so that they don't have all the discharge and infection on their faces.
When we were given the responsibility, I knew we set a time, myself and the football club and Professor Hugh Taylor, in trying to eliminate this disease within 5 years. Obviously, my role, I'm pretty fortunate enough to be in a position where I could give, back to the community by just really driving the messages of clean faces, strong eyes.
The Demons are doing a mighty job in promoting health amongst the Aboriginal people.
Myself, with the football club, we've really been trying to drive the message of healthy lifestyle and living. We've done posters that we've sent out to the communities and also the health centres around Central Australia. We've also done, myself and Milpa, the trachoma mascot, we've done a lot of commercials that we've distributed out to the communities, and also we've done some radio interviews that have been aired on Karma radio stations throughout the whole of the Central Australian communities.
We've run now on four different occasions these footy clinics with an emphasis on the health promotion as well. So as well as these Aboriginal kids learning how to kick and to mark and stuff, they're also getting the message about clean faces and good hygiene.
Obviously there's been great improvements from the feedback that we've been getting from the professor, and let's hope that it takes a couple more years and then we walk away not only as a football club, myself a proud Aboriginal Torres Strait Island guy, but also more importantly just the nation itself with a lot more healthy and really bridging that gap between the life expectancies of Indigenous people throughout Australia.
And if the Demon supporters could see for themselves the changes that this brings, they would be really proud.
Obviously a lot of things that we've been trying to drive have been implemented into schools and communities, and we're not talking about the adults here, we're talking about the young generation. So it's the future of Indigenous people, and hopefully these young kids go on to have a real successful and healthy life.